Chandraghanda Devi is worshipped on the third day of Navaratri. Her name, as well as her form, carries Chandraghanda, which is the bell-shaped crescent on her forehead, which symbolizes her marital status after having married Lord Shiva, thus becoming Shankara's consort, Shankari. Devi is situated in the Manipuraka chakra in our bodies, which symbolizes the courage and the valor and the willpower to fight not just the external evils around us, but also the internal demons. Devi is portrayed or glorified in Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar's Kamalamba Navavarna Kriti, set in Sri Raga. शाकम्बरि शातोदरि चन्द्रकलाधरि चन्द्रकलाधरि शङ्करि शङ्कर गुरु गुह भक्तव शङ्करि एकाक्षरि भुवनेश्वरि ईश प्रियकरि श्रीकरि सुखकरि श्री महा त्रिपुर सुन्दरी श्री कमलाम्बिके शिवे पिण्डजप्रवरारूढा चण्डकोपस्त्रकैर्युत प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्र